Welcome to Libertex. Litecoin prices have surged nearly 500% over the past year, and leading into April, Litecoin is now trading within a symmetrical triangle pattern, which some traders believe will create a path for a continuation of the upward momentum. In this Litecoin forecast for April 2021, we'll be covering the latest developments that could make Litecoin a forerunner in the crypto market this month, providing an in-depth analysis on the nearest support and resistance levels to watch out for with technical analysis towards the end, as well as the fundamentals surrounding Litecoin for April and beyond. If you like content on all things Litecoin, the latest developments and technical analysis on the top crypto movers, stocks, metals, and more, you can support our team of analysts striving to deliver on-point news for stronger trading in 2021 by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel to join our growing community of traders. So without further ado, let's jump into the Litecoin prices analysis for April. Since our last Litecoin update we did in March, Litecoin was trading close to a resistance level in the $228 range. And with where we are currently in early April, while that break to the upside was rejected, the price action since has put Litecoin into the symmetrical triangle pattern we are currently experiencing. As a massive correction hit the stock market in March, the crypto market was not as severely affected, which many are taking as a sign that a new era for crypto has begun and that it will be here to stay. And what's good news for the other major cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, is good for Litecoin. The case for a Litecoin rally in the short to mid-term is not only fueled based on its technical trading patterns, but also based on the suggestion that digital cash cryptocurrency solutions, for which Litecoin is grouped in with, along with other digital cash cryptos like Bitcoin Cash, Neo, Zcash, and others, are heavily oversold and undervalued, with more money being instead put into the more DeFi projects like Ethereum, Polkadot, and others. 2021 has already proven to be an exciting one for Litecoin, with one of the biggest developments as Visa recently launched a Litecoin card that can be used both physically and digitally in the US, and will soon expand into 31 European countries. In addition to this, PayPal will feature Litecoin as one of 4 cryptocurrencies available for use on its platform. Many Litecoin traders have mixed opinions about the benefit of the PayPal deal, especially in regards to Litecoin prices that the PayPal deal will have, as purchasing Litecoin through PayPal will not take additional Litecoins off of the market, since PayPal is the true owner of the Litecoin. As a result, some think that the most this will do is bring PayPal extra money in fees associated with exchanges. Regardless, the news is still very positive for Litecoin, and it is undeniable that no matter the direct influence, Litecoin will now be exposed to millions of more people, further establishing itself as a household name and gaining in its need to provide real-world applications and solutions. The long-term value this will create for Litecoin, in theory, could be large. As one of the first altcoins created back in 2011, the coin may well be finally poised to shine after hitting all-time highs of $360 back in 2017. Let's now have a look into the technical analysis for Litecoin to get a better read on where traders could realistically see Litecoin move throughout the month of March and what to watch out for going deeper into 2021. Alright, we are now in the Libertex terminal looking at the technical chart for Litecoin. And just looking at the broad overview, you can see how Litecoin squoze all the way up to $360, was sold off like the rest of the crypto market in this time frame, and failed to make much traction until really this past year, where if we jump into now, we can get a closer look at. So from around $40 to the low 200s, Litecoin has created serious gains for traders that have stuck around with the coin after such a long period, but could be on the verge of a continuation to the upside. Are the prices we're experiencing now sustainable, or will the gains be swept away like they were back in 2017? And to answer that, so much has happened since this time period for the world of crypto, and it's now more mainstream than it ever has been at any point in its brief 10-year history. Even with the growth of the industry, we are still in its infancy. As Bitcoin continues to shock and awe, holding strongly at recently realized price levels, this pulls forward Litecoin, and the developments that are coming into play and its increase in the general awareness and household appeal has been definitely emboldened by this. So to get a read on how Litecoin could trade throughout April, let's take a closer look to make out this symmetrical triangle pattern that we can see here since the decline in February that the drop off from these highs have created. So what's good about this is that Litecoin has managed so far to hold well above a critical support level at around $187, $188, and it's trading back slightly to the upside, but we'll need to test and break resistance at $207 and then $210. The first point of support where Litecoin is trading at currently can be found right around $195 here, which is part of the Fibonacci retracement level. And if this manages to break, Litecoin could then bounce off the intraday low of March 25th, which can drop all the way back to around $169 around here, before testing the next Fibonacci level of support at around $163. The pattern for Litecoin, especially with the steam it's currently generating, could gain the energy to break to the upside, push past these initial resistance levels, but will ultimately need to move past both the $220 and then $240 resistance channels, as there will likely be significant selling pressure at these previously recorded levels. Any move beyond $240 here will likely require support from the broader crypto market this month. But with that in mind, there are a growing number of traders that believe the all-time high levels of around $360 will be inevitably broken at some point this year. What are your thoughts on Litecoin prices for April? Let us know your price predictions and whether you will be buying Litecoin at the current price in the comments to join the conversation with our community of traders and analysts. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you're interested in trading Litecoin, as well as the other top cryptocurrencies, stock CFDs, forex pairs, metals, and more, head over to libertex.com or via the links in the description and open up a free account today. We'll provide you with everything you need to start your trading journey and have over 20 years experience as a trusted and leading brokerage. As always, we'd like to wish you a successful April of trading. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.